today we'll be taking some question from arithmetic progression, which even I have explained into a different session, but I will just come up with again with the modifications. Okay, so this will be the question from arithmetic progression, AP, right? AP is arithmetic progression. So here, yeah, I think it's better visible now. This is arithmetic progression where three terms of that progression is given to you. And what are those three terms which are given to you? Those three terms are 1 by x plus 2, 1 by x plus 2, and the second term is 1 by x plus 3, and the third term is 1 by x plus 5. So these are the three terms of that AP which are in succession, right? So it can be many more, but these are the three consecutive terms of that AP which is given to you, right? Now, just what we will be doing, let us see. Okay, we need to find the value of x over here. That is, what is the value of x, right? So students, for a, just recall the formula, the basic formulas of AP, right? That if A2, A3, or let's say A1, A2, A3, A4 till AN are the n terms of that AP, right? Then we can write, that that A1 as equal to the first term of that AP. This is the first term, right? And the common difference, that is the difference between the two successive terms, will always be equal, right? So that's why D is called common difference, that you need to understand this concept. So that's why I'm recalling it, right? Common difference equal to the difference between the two successive terms. So this will be A2 minus A1, and this common difference will be equal to when you just subtract the successive term from its previous one. So A3 minus A2 will also give the same value. That is your common difference, and that is equal to the, when you take the fourth term and subtract the third term from it, A4 minus A3, like that. So all these are the common differences which will be same, right? So just we have recalled the basic formulas of arithmetic progression, and thus for nth term of an AP is a plus n minus 1 into d. Just remember it. And Sn, sum of n terms of an AP is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, where n is the number of terms of that AP, a is the first terms, d is the common difference, and Sn is the sum. So just we recall this basic formula. So just you need to remember it. Now, just coming to the question directly. The question was that if these three terms are in AP, then we need to find the value of x. So students, it's very clear that these three terms, it's not mentioned that this is the first term or this is the second term, right? It's mentioned that these are the three successive terms of any AP. So that's why we will be apply the concept of common difference over here, right? When we apply the concept of common difference, if this is the successive term and this is its previous terms, then the difference of 1 by x plus 3, and from it when we subtract 1 by x plus 2, this will give you the common difference, and this will be equal to when 1 by x plus 5 subtracts 1 by x plus 3, right? So that's why 1 by x plus 3 minus 1 by x plus 5 minus 1 by x plus 3. So these both are the common differences, and these common differences will also be same, right? So we will be using the same concept and solving it to get the value of x, right? So in this way we are going to solve and find x, right? Now just come forward and students solve it. Take the LCM of x plus 3 and x plus 2. It will be x plus 3 multiplied with x plus 2 into the LHS denominator, and into the numerator, since x plus 3 is already present over here, so x plus 2 will be coming into the numerator first. So x plus 2 minus x plus 2 is already here, so x plus 2 into how much will be equal to denominator, x plus 2 will be multiplied with x plus 3 to become this LCM, right? So that's why, or denominator, so that's why x plus 3 will be coming over here, right? And this is into the RHS. Similarly, we are taking the LCM, that means product of the two numbers, that is x plus 5 and x plus 3 will be multiplied over here, right, into the denominator, and into the numerator, since x plus 5 is, you are in 10th class, so definitely I hope you are understanding these lines, okay? So I am directly writing over here x plus 3 minus x plus 5, right? So here you can see x plus 3 and x plus 3 is coming in both the LHS and RHS, so just cancel it out, x plus 3, right? And here you can also see x and x is common, and x will subtract this x into the LHS numerator. Similarly, this x will subtract this x into of the RHS, right? So what we are left with? We are left with minus 1, because 2 minus 3 will be minus 1 divided by x plus 2 is already there into the denominator. Just mention it, equal to 3 minus 5, that is equal to minus 2. 3 minus 5 equal to minus 2, and x plus 5 will be left over here, right? So just solve it. Here you can also cancel out this minus sign, right? Then we are left with what? We are left with 1 by x plus 2 equal to 2 by x plus 5. Just do the cross multiplication. Then here x plus 5 into the LHS will be equal to 2 times x plus 2, right? And when you solve it, you get x plus 5 is equal to 2x plus 4, and when 4 will coming into the LHS, it will be 5 minus 4, and when x will be coming into the RHS, it will be 2x minus x, right? So this will give you 5 minus 4 equal to 1, and 2x minus x is x. So the value of x is coming as equal to 1 equal to x, or we can write x equal to 1, because LHS and RHS can be interchanged. So in this way we have solved this question, and the value of x is coming as 1. So x equal to, we have decided and we have solved it, and the value of x is coming as equal to 1, and this is your answer, right? I hope students you like the session for today, and this is a very simple question of arithmetic progression, where these are the three terms given to you, and we recall these are the basic formulas of arithmetic progression, where the nth term is given by a plus n minus 1 into d, and sum of n terms is given by n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. But though we didn't use these formulas over here, we used the concept of common difference, right? So that's why the difference between two successive terms, that is, you can see 1 by x plus 3 is coming next to 1 by x plus 2. So that's why 1 by x plus 3 minus this previous term, that is 1 by x plus 3 minus 1 by x plus 2, this will give you the common difference d. This is the same d, right? And similarly here 1 by x plus 3 is the 1 by x plus 5 is the successive term to x plus 3, 1 by x plus 3, and this will give you the common difference 1 by x plus 5 minus 1 by x plus 3. And when we, since both of these are the common differences, what we did, we equated it. You can see it's equal to, we equated it, this is equal, right? And when we equated it and solve it, we get the value of x. The value of x is calculated finally, and the value of x is coming as equal to 1, right? And this is your answer. I hope students you like the solution, you find it useful, you can just like it and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. For any query, you can put up into the comment box. I am just coming up through the live sessions so that each and every step can be explained very easily, and you can also refer through the playlist into my channel. There are multiple questions of arithmetic progression which are covering different concepts of arithmetic progression, right? All these questions will be helpful for your examinations and board examinations, right, and unit examinations, and definitely that will help you. For any query, you can put up into the comment box, into the chat, or to me on my channel. I will definitely come back. If you find it useful, then only you can like it, otherwise no issue. I will be always there to help you. Thank you so much for understanding, students. Take care, happy learning, and in this way we are closing today's session, right? I hope you like today's session. If you find it useful, you can just like it. Thank you so much. So x equal to 1 is our solution, and now with this I'm closing today's session. Thank you. Bye bye.